Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the addsfit portable mini massage gun. You can get this product on Amazon for about $105. Check out the link in the description. The massage gun comes with a travel case, a charging cable, 2 massage heads, and a user manual. According to addsfit, it's the smallest massage gun on the market, about the size of a smartphone. First, I fully charged the battery. According to the user manual, it takes up to 2.5 hours to get fully charged, and the battery life is about 400 minutes. Operating the massage gun is very easy. You just have to press the speed button for about 2 seconds to turn on the device. Press the speed button to adjust the speed. The speed indicator light shows the corresponding speed. To turn off the massage gun, you just have to press the speed button again for about 2 seconds. The user manual tells you about the 2 different massage heads and how to use them. Percussion therapy boosts muscle function and recovery by penetrating deep into the muscle tissue with a series of rapid, concentrated pulsating strokes. It is known to maximize pain relief, enhance performance, and accelerate muscle recovery. I tested the massage gun for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's very small and portable, easy to use, and it's great for my body. So if you are looking for a good quality travel-size massage gun with a long battery life, I would recommend the addsfit portable mini massage gun. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.